Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to see how we can make use of the lead form segment feature in remarketing. So lead form segment is going to be a feature wherein we can also remarket to people whose leads we have generated and collected. So like we spoke about in lead form extensions, where we are able to collect the leads by creating that extension, we can make use of those lead forms as well here, and we can create a remarketing list of that. So this remarketing list will collect the data of all those people who fill up our lead form extensions. Okay, people who are filling up the form and submitting their details, that data is what we are going to use here to do remarketing. We create this remarketing list, which will collect all the leads data of users filling up the form. And we're going to link this remarketing list with a search or a display campaign to follow them with our ads. So let's see this, guys, how we can make use of this feature. So once we log into our Google Ads account, we can go to the tools section in the audience manager, and we can create a new remarketing list, which can be for lead form segment. So when you select this, you can give it a name. And now Google will show you all the lead forms which we have created so far, which are used for extensions, for the lead form extension. So you can select any of these if you want to in this particular manner. And then you can go ahead and create this particular remarketing list. Once you create this remarketing list, this now can be linked to a specific search campaign or a display campaign, and you can follow these users with your search or display ads. That is how a lead form extension can be also used for remarketing, and we can show our ads to them. I hope this makes sense and you understand how lead form segment works. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today, and I will see you in the next video.